This is our Cash dog. We've raised him since first part of July last year. So he's just a little over a year old. He's a big, strong, beautiful dog. He runs great. He's got a wonderful personality. He's easy to control. He points, he backs, he retrieves. Wonderful. He's of course still in training. Thought I might show you the distance from the dog to the bird. Okay, I'm gonna walk it. Bird's right here to my right. We just got done doing a little bird work here, and a couple things. We did elevate the bird. You saw how high it was on front and back. It is helpful to go ahead and get that bird higher. They get better scent, and they're less crouchy, so it does help get these dogs up in the air a little bit. It also gives you a little more distance. Another thing about Cash is we're looking at probably going to be selling him here shortly, and one thing we were thinking about is what kind of a dog he is and what kind of a setting is going to be best fitting for him. And really anything is going to work for him. Ideally he finds a family setting where he can be around kids, other dogs, space. He's a wonderful dog. This is really him to a T right here. He wants to just be your buddy. He's not a big ranging dog. He's not the proverbial big running dog. He's very close. He's got a ton of experience on pheasants and quail. He's done a lot of guiding. We guided him last year at 6 months old. So he's just a neat little dog. He's beautiful. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He's beautiful. Just a good personality. Very, very, very nice dog. So as we market him, we're going to be putting a lot of emphasis on getting him a really great fit home environment. So this is Cash. He's a yearling English pointer, and we'll put all the genetic stuff in text, so that'll be available as well. So yeah, he's a good boy.